Hello, and welcome to MealMind TV, your trusted source for health and wellness. Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive creams and serums that promise the world but deliver very little? We're often told that the secret to youthful skin lies in a jar. But what if I told you the true secret to a radiant, healthy glow comes from within? Today, I'm going to share a simple, all-natural miracle juice recipe that can help you achieve that beautiful, luminous skin you've been dreaming of. It's affordable, it's easy, and most importantly, it's packed with nutrients that your skin will absolutely love. This isn't about chasing impossible standards of youth. It's about nourishing your body to look and feel your absolute best at any age. Let's unlock the power of nature together and reveal your skin's inner radiance. So, what makes this juice so special? It's all about the incredible ingredients we're using: cucumber, green apple, and spinach. These three powerhouses work in harmony to hydrate, protect, and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. Let's start with cucumber. You might think of it as just a simple salad vegetable, but it's a true hero for our skin. Cucumbers are over 95% water, which makes them one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. As we get older, our skin tends to lose moisture, leading to dryness and the appearance of fine lines. Drinking cucumber juice is like giving your skin a tall glass of water. This deep hydration helps to plump up the skin cells, making your skin look smoother and more supple. But that's not all. Cucumbers are also rich in silica, a trace mineral that is essential for strengthening our connective tissues, including our skin. Silica helps to boost collagen production, which is the protein responsible for skin elasticity. So, more silica means firmer, more resilient skin. Next up, we have the crisp and tangy green apple. Green apples are a fantastic source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and vitamin C. These antioxidants are like little bodyguards for your skin cells. They fight off damage from free radicals, which are unstable molecules caused by things like sun exposure and pollution. This damage can accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles and age spots. By neutralizing these free radicals, the antioxidants in green apples help to protect your skin and maintain its youthful appearance. Vitamin C, in particular, is a superstar for mature skin. It not only brightens the complexion, giving you that sought-after glow, but it also plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. So, just like the silica in cucumbers, the vitamin C in green apples helps to keep your skin firm and elastic. Finally, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse. Don't be fooled by its delicate leaves. Spinach is packed with an incredible array of vitamins and minerals that are vital for skin health. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K. We've already talked about the benefits of A and C, but vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress and keeps it moisturized. Vitamin K is known to help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and supporting the healing process. Spinach is also a great source of iron, which is important for healthy circulation. Good blood flow ensures that your skin cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive, which contributes to a healthy, vibrant complexion. The combination of these vitamins and minerals in spinach helps to repair skin cells, reduce inflammation, and give your skin a clear, even tone. Together, these three ingredients create a synergy that hydrates, protects, and nourishes your skin in a way that no topical cream ever could. Now that we understand why these ingredients are so amazing for our skin, let's get to the fun part: making the juice. It's incredibly simple, and you only need a few things. You'll need 1 large cucumber, 2 medium-sized green apples, and a large handful of fresh spinach, about 2 cups. You'll also need a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can also use a high-speed blender and a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag to strain the pulp. First, let's prepare our produce. It's very important to wash everything thoroughly. I like to give my cucumber and apples a good scrub under running water. Since we're keeping the skin on the cucumber and apple for maximum nutrients, we want to make sure they're clear. Once everything is washed, we'll do a little bit of chopping. Cut the cucumber into chunks that are small enough to fit into your juicer's chute. You don't need to peel it. The skin is full of beneficial silica. Next, take your green apples, cut them into quarters and remove the core and the seeds. Again, keep the skin on because it's packed with antioxidants. Finally, you have your fresh spinach. It's already good to go after being washed. Now, it's time to juice. If you're using a juicer, simply turn it on and start feeding your ingredients through. I like to alternate between the ingredients. I'll put in a few pieces of cucumber, then a wedge of apple, followed by a bit of spinach. This helps the juicer process everything more efficiently and mixes the flavors together nicely. Continue this until all your produce is juiced. Look at that vibrant green color. It's just beautiful. That's the color of pure liquid nutrition. If you're using a blender, the process is slightly different. Add all your chopped ingredients to the blender jar. Then, add about half a cup of filtered water to help everything blend smoothly. Blend on high speed for about a minute, or until you have a completely smooth, liquid consistency. Now, place a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag over a large bowl or pitcher, and slowly pour the blended mixture through it. Use a spoon or your hands to gently press the pulp and extract all the juice. This step is important to get that smooth, easy to drink juice. And there you have it, a beautiful, nutrient-dense glowing skin juice, ready to enjoy. It really is that simple. So you've made this wonderful, vibrant green juice. Now what? Let's talk about how to get the most out of it. The best time to drink this juice is in the morning, on an empty stomach. When your stomach is empty, your body can absorb the vitamins, minerals and enzymes from the juice much more quickly and efficiently. Think of it as the very first thing you give your body to start the day. It sets a healthy, nourishing tone and floods your system with hydration and nutrients right away. It can also give you a natural energy boost, which is a much healthier alternative to the first cup of coffee. Now, let's talk about something really important: consistency. Just like with exercise or any skincare routine, you won't see dramatic results overnight. This is not a quick fix. It's a long-term practice of nourishing your body from within. The key to seeing a real difference in your skin's radiance, texture, and overall health is to make this juice a regular part of your routine. I recommend trying to drink it at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you can manage to have it every day, that's even better. Over time, with consistent consumption, you will start to notice a change. Your skin may appear more hydrated, clearer, and have that subtle, healthy glow we're all looking for. Remember, you are building a foundation for healthier skin from the inside. Be patient with your body, be consistent with your new healthy habit, and let nature do its work. I truly hope you feel inspired to try this simple yet powerful recipe. It is a small act of self-care that can make a big difference in how you look and feel. Remember, true beauty radiates from a place of health and wellness. Thank you so much for joining me today on MealMind TV. If you found this video helpful and are excited to discover more natural ways to enhance your health, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we share new recipes, tips, and wellness advice designed just for you. Just click that red subscribe button below. We are building a community dedicated to aging gracefully and healthfully, and we would love for you to be a part of it. Until next time, take care and stay radiant.